Okay, good evening, good morning, everyone. Okay, this movie will be a short movie but made in two parts. The first part, this one, will be about Angela alla prima portrait. And the second one, this one, will be about why we should paint alla prima, why we have to do that. And there is some reason, not only techniques, economical reason. So, if you want to learn about my techniques alla prima, stay tuned, and I will be with you after for the next part of that movie. Hello, long time no talk. Huh? If I stay silence, it's just because I challenged myself in things that I don't use to do, so I try to test myself to see how far I can go in those subjects. The first one was about landscape. I have painted maybe 5 or 6 landscapes, and that gives me a good idea about what I can do and what is difficult. Now, I have another challenge to face, is to make one portrait alla prima. The rules of my challenge was to make a portrait in only 3 hours. So this portrait has been painted in 3 hours, and it was yesterday. We'll talk first about the palette, the colors on my palette. So look, we have white, yellow, ochre yellow, permanent rose, green, sap green, burnt umber, raw umber. I use a lot of raw umber, French ultramarine, and black. That's all my colors. So, and what is my medium for that? To paint in 3 hours and to reach that level. Okay, I only use spirit solvent, and in that case is Gamsol from Gamlin. So I have to make some critiques of my work, my own work, and believe me, I'm the worst critics in the world about my own work. So the first critiques, I have so many things to fix on that portrait. The mouth is not correct, the nose, the eye sockets, it's more round, the mouth needs to, the lips here needs to be moved, okay, the neck and all that thing. Okay, I have plenty correction of colors also, the shadow is in place, but I need to model it much more. And so, as a conclusion, that I cannot say myself, okay, alla prima, it's good for you. No, not now. Maybe one day that will be nice. So I will start again the second layer, and you will see the difference between now and after. So stay tuned. Don't give up. Follow me. And if you have some extra cash, because my video system is not very good, my sound is not very good, my light is not very good. If you want to have the generosity to give me some coin on Patreon, you can. The link is here. And for the French people or European people, we have also Tipeee, which is the same than Patreon and other things. By the way, I have 0 on my Patreon, 0 on my Tipeee. So that will be very well appreciated if someone helps me on that. Okay, till the next time, to see the difference between now and after, stay tuned, you will see that soon.